to leave plenty of room between you and the car in front of you, and always use your car's low beam headlight setting. For the following area, in New York, southern Westchester, dense fog advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. Locations, southern Westchester County, New York. Hazard, dense fog, visibility, 1/4 mile or less. Timing, through 6 a.m. Thursday. Impacts, hazardous travel due to significantly reduced visibility. A dense fog advisory means visibilities will frequently be reduced to 1/4 mile or less. If driving, slow down, use your low beam headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you in case a sudden stop is needed. The offshore waters forecast for south of Long Island between Montauk Point and Sandy Hook, out to 1,000 fathoms. Tonight,